We're on a mission to explore the world of heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the extraordinary innovations that define our times. The Gibby 1890 Primo Series is an all-Mac, all-electric crawler telescopic boom powered by fully detachable battery packs. With a total weight of 13,000 pounds, it is the lightest, multi-inch self-leveling boom capable of working on heavy, sloping, and slippery terrain. The length and width of the tracks provide excellent traction, as well as significant ground clearance and low ground pressure. Decent track width allows the machine to move comfortably in narrow working spaces. The Gibby 1250 Evo model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. Camrock's EK 140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock, with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. EnviroBinder is a unique erosion control product that works well in long-term applications and provides immediate surface protection results. It penetrates and binds the soil particles to form a strong, interlocking structure. Once the polymer dries, a strong weather-resistant surface is formed, binding the surface and preventing erosion. Incidentally, the effective life of erosion control is usually 6 months, but in some cases, the product works for 18 to 24 months at a time. The Bacchus A55 self-propelled aerator is used for processing a wide variety of materials like sugarcane waste, palm oil, and almost all climatic regions. The technique is used for excavation work or for industrial mixing of substrates. The ergonomic frame design of the A55 ensures that the rotating material only comes into contact with the rotor during operation. The design of the Bacchus aerators provides easy access to all components. This in turn speeds up maintenance and cleaning of the machine. The operator's cabin is equipped with an air-suspended seat, armrests on both sides, large screens, and controls. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power-split, infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. and this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. This drum mulcher gets its name because of its cylindrical shape, resembling a drum. Skid steer drum mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini-loaders and shreds small trees and clears them with a rotating forward motion. The patented spiral tine pattern, modeled after a vacuum brush, provides efficient material flow to the center of the drum. The 2-speed variable displacement piston motor is protected by a low-profile frame for maximum performance and visibility. The Diamond Mower's drum mulcher has 3 choices of powerful mulching tines to meet the requirements of any, even the most challenging project. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718 E-Series models operate with high reliability at Seneboken in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 718E is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with 2 different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. CBI's Magnum Force 5800 is a mid-sized lifting unit designed for contractors working with smaller production needs or transportation limitations. The design and dimensions of the offset spiral rotor, stop, and screen remain the same as the Model 6800 to maintain a high level of grinding performance. However, the rotor width of the Model 5800 is reduced to produce a machine with an overall width of less than 8 feet 6 inches, 2.55 meters, and a weight of 64,850 pounds. The entire machine system is controlled by CBI IntelliGrind logic, which includes a variable feed rate that automatically adjusts to motor load, and an optional modem communication system that provides real-time system diagnostics. Chemrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. Chemrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the 2 high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. As for the second one, it is the LH621 model. Such a productive machine with a lifting capacity of 21 tons, which combines the capabilities of an underground loader and a dump truck. By the way, it is the undisputed leader in terms of safety and productivity. The process of moving the ore mass can be further optimized by using the TH663 underground dump truck and loading it with 3 buckets per cycle. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5-pound, 33.8-ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. Meet the R3 Impact Crusher. The innovative machine design has won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award, the German Design Prize Award, and the Big C Award. And thanks to innovative technologies such as zero-emission electric drive system, high safety and environmental standards, as well as a powerful and functional design, the R3 can be called the best impact tool in the world. Let's discuss the CH Series grader attachment. And it should be noted, it's the perfect solution for gravel road maintenance. The grader cuts and fills potholes, eliminates material from entering the machine itself, and leaves material directly outside, maneuvering easily in tight places and corners. This machine spreads and finishes soft and loose materials with ease, typically completing the job in just 1 or 2 passes. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. You see an all-electric, remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. universal pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. This type of sweeper from Verizon is the leading machine in the runway sweeper product group. The RS400 is designed for maximum power and performance. It offers impressive functionality, high reliability, and minimal operating expenses. RS400s can be found at many of the world's major airports. They set the standard when it comes to optimizing snow removal fleets in terms of number of machines and cleaning efficiency. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree that it looks no less impressive. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. Asterix is an autonomous field robot designed for vegetable care. The robot uses machine vision and a new and unique ultra-precise nozzle technology to spray drops of herbicide on each individual weed. And mind you, not on the crop or the soil. This will reduce the amount of herbicide used by about 95%, which is also a huge advantage for this technique. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. The Ventrac RV602 has a waste bin that hydraulically lifts to 150 centimeters, making it easy to place collected materials in a dump trailer, pickup truck, or on top of a compost pile. The quick-release vacuum hose makes it easy to clean flower beds, hedges, steps, and other hard-to-reach areas. The self-propelled symbol of the Technoma range. Trust us, the laser opens up a new style and equipment. Depending on the surface, crop, and terrain, it comes with 4 tanks ranging from 2,500 to 5,200 liters and can be equipped with a boom from 24 to 44 meters. It has a wide range of tracks and clearance and can be equipped with optimal hydraulic adjustable track and/or hydraulic variable clearance, HVC. The machine presented by Fasterholt is a self-propelled irrigator with a turbine engine. It is built on a new undercarriage with reinforced rear axle and a Nortopt electronic control. This technique is already known for its reliability, and all thanks to the use of advanced technology. The main advantage of the model is that it is equipped with very long hoses and a new turbine with high efficiency, which provides energy and low pressure drop. In the field and garden, the ideal tool for tilling the soil is the turf trimmer or sod trimmer. In fact, it is equipment for removing the top layer of soil. If you are an experienced gardener or owner of large areas of agricultural plantings, then turfing should be much better and deeper, and you can achieve this with a variety of machines. You'll see it all on the screens below. The spraying drone that you are now seeing on your screens can safely be called the new generation of flying expert. The exclusive advantage of EA Vision is that the double camera allows the robots of the device to perform work in difficult conditions, such as hills and mountains. At the same time, the spray drone can work even at night, and everything because it has a night flight lighting system, EANLS. The brightness of 5 meters reaches 700 lux, and the binoculars work independently, both day and night. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of our tech-driven exploration.